Today we're going to be replacing our Swaybar bushings, and these are the frame mounts that hold the Swaybar to the inner side of the chassis. As you can see on ours, we are missing a good bit of our bushings, and so we need to go ahead and get those replaced. And the other side, you can see, is starting to crack and also squeeze out. These are held in with two 5/8 inch bolts on each side, and I replaced one of them at a time. And here are the new ones we're going to be replacing them with. These are our BJ's Off-Road Swaybar bushings. These are polyurethane, and this is the 1-inch size, and that's for the later 86 through 91 style. The 7/8 is for the 85 and earlier. And you can see these are also greasable, and they include new washers. So let's go ahead and get started. And now that we have each one of them broken loose, we'll just go use a socket wrench and take them the rest of the way out. Okay. These bushings were actually slid on originally from the end link on to here, and they don't have a break like the aftermarket ones do. So we'll use a knife, and we'll just go ahead and cut through the rest of the way on these guys to make it easy to pull off. That way we don't have to pull off the end links themselves. Now if you're changing out to the Swaybar quick disconnects that we sell, then it's easy because you're going to have all this apart anyway, and you can just slide it right off. We'll slide it a little bit this way if we can. There we go. Now we can just pull it right off. And you can see there are also some remnants here that we'll need to trim. Cut that off. There we go. And that's it for taking off the old one. And you can see there are captive nuts, well, threaded nuts inside of here, and those are held in place on this bracket. On the new ones, you can see that they have a split in them, which makes it easier to install. And when you're done, this is the grease hole. See if we can get a little better shot of that. There we go. And that aligns with this piece, which has a little cap on it. Okay, and you just use your fingers to spread it apart and get it started, and then just pull it over, and then slide it back into place. And then you're going to put the bracket over it and install the bolts. And we'll go ahead and get the brackets reinstalled now. Okay, started. We'll get the top one started now. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then once you're finished, you want to make sure to take off this cap and put some grease in there, and then replace the cap. And this process should take you about 10 to 15 minutes total. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below, and make sure to like and subscribe. And you can also find these parts on bjsoffroad.com. Thanks for watching.